A simple piece of sheet metal. First it is stamped, then bent, a thread is cut, assembled, laser welded, screw fastened, contact welded, and bent again. A new Bihler part in a split second. And this is Allgäu, one of the most beautiful regions in Germany. It's exactly here that the ideas which make our machines simple and efficient are born. And it's from here that we help our partners across the entire world. Finding solutions together, sharing knowledge and experience, and staying by their side until their machine runs and runs and runs and runs. Whoever makes prefabricated parts and components today produces for the whole world. The demand is high, so is the competition, and the client requires the goods just in time. That's why our technicians make the tools simpler, our developers make the controls more precise, and that's why our clients are able to work faster, more flexibly, and more intelligently with our Bihler machines. People want to buy and companies want to sell and develop new products constantly, using new materials and new technologies. Stamping, bending, welding, tapping, screw fastening, assembling, and. The processes of our machines are manifold, which is good in an ever-changing world, where demand for prefabricated parts and components is increasing more and more. What drives us are the people who love challenges. And we all have one shared goal. Our clients must be able to rely on our machines with total confidence. That's why we never stop learning and investing broadly in new technologies and seizing the opportunities of the digital world. And because Bihler is a family-run company, we all know that it's only as a team that you achieve big things. And because our clients are a part of the family, we share our knowledge, experience, and our success. It goes without saying that what we start, we finish. Together, we reach our goal. That is why Bihler is known worldwide for efficient manufacturing technology. And that is what creates trust. Together, we stride forward with new ideas, developing solutions to design our future.